Hey everybody, I'm wanting to show you my DreamSpa 5 setting LED light changing shower head. This has got to be the best shower head that I have ever had. As you can see that it is a large face with plenty of bevels for the water to come through, and then it has a light that lights up around through here. It was easy to hook up without any tools. All I had to do was unscrew the regular shower head and then just screw this one right on. It has 3 lights that it changes from. One is from blue, which is from 95 degrees Fahrenheit and below, which is cold water. And then as soon as it turns to green, that's your average temperature, where most people are most comfortable with, where it's not going to burn you and it's not going to be too cold. Then it also turns red. This is your hotter temperatures, something that you need to adjust to yourself when you're already in the water. I would recommend after you're in the green. But like I said, it's super easy to use. And you just flip this through here. You can spin it around and then you just flip this around to each one that you want to set on. There's a hard pulse. There's your normal setting for the spurt. There's a mist that I don't mess with because I nearly get blinded with the water. But there's many settings to choose from, one for each person, whatever you recommend. I like the hard pulse for my lower back whenever it's sore. But if you give me just a second, I will turn it on for you and let you see that the light, how it changes. Alright, so I'm going to turn my water on here. Forgive my bathtub. I know it's not the most prettiest thing in the world right now. Alright, as you can see, there's your blue. And it does not run off a battery. There's no electrical thing. It's basically all on LED. There is up to 10 years of heavy usage that you can use with this shower head before the lights don't work. But you do get a 1-year warranty on it. So I'm going to show you whenever I turn the water to a hotter setting. So, alright, there you go. That's your normal setting. There's your green. That is your nice warm water, comfortable to the touch. Now watch what happens whenever I turn the cold water off. And then it flips over to red. So, flip it. See, water changes. That's the setting I like. But, you can see how neat this is, and I love having this in the dark. It is awesome taking a shower in the dark with this. Let me show you what happens whenever I turn the lights off. Now, that is what it looks like in the dark, but I recommend the green because the green is a lot better to see. Let me flip the green back on. Give it a minute. There you go. You can see it lights up. And you go back to green. And it does take a couple seconds to get it to switch over to the color. Here we go. But you see that it goes off. Really awesome.